Hello everyone, my name is Laurel Archer with Carrie Tutor, and this is Laurel's Learning Lab. This is the video portion of the lesson so you could find how to say each word with the right pronunciation. So let's start with the long vowels and go from there. So the first letter is A, bait, E, beat, I, bite, O, boat, U, boot. Same with me this time, okay? Same with me. A, bait. E, beat. I, bite. O, boat. U, boot. Now you'll notice that each one of these has either an AI like a double vowel or an E at the end like a silent E. So one of those will indicate that it is a vowel sound that is long. So it's like the alphabet. Okay, so A, E, I, O, U. Now the next one is the short vowel sounds. And these don't sound like the alphabet, so we say that they're relative vowel sounds. Okay, so let's do the short sounds. Listen first. A, bat. Bet. I, bit. Bot. And but. So try them with me now, okay? So a, bat. Bet. I, bit. Bot. But. Notice the way you say each one if your mouth is in the correct position to say the sound. These are one vowel sounds, so they're not a two vowel or a silent E sound. They are one vowel usually by itself, smaller words, and so those are a little bit easier to say in some ways. All right, so that is it for the short and long vowels. We will continue on the series with how to say each one again and how to use those in other words and how to put them in sentences.